If I lost the weight, I could stop taking so many medications.
If I lost the weight, maybe my feet, my back.
My knees would stop hurting.
If I lost the weight, I'd feel more comfortable shopping for clothes.
I'd visit my sister in Seattle more often.
I might be able to improve or even resolve my type 2 diabetes.
So, I finally lost the weight after talking with my doctor about the lap band system.
The lap band is placed around the upper part of the stomach, often as an outpatient procedure, to help you achieve long-term weight loss. Unlike gastric bypass, it can be adjusted, and there's no stomach cutting or stapling. Call for your free fact kit or visit lapband.com. Lap band is not for those who are pregnant or have symptoms of autoimmune, severe heart, lung, or gastrointestinal disease, cirrhosis, or pancreatitis. Surgery-related fatalities, reoperation, and band removal are rare. Band slippage, stomach injury, vomiting, and heartburn may occur.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ask your doctor about the latest generation lap band system.